Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde. Today we're going to get into another wig review, not on this unit. If you want to see the review for this unit, click the link above and it'll take you right to it. So today's wig is going to be on a new line from Outre, because Outre been banging out these wigs, honey. They've been banging out these wigs this year. All right, this is something new from Outre called their Swish U lace front wig. I got her in the style Rylee in the color 1B. So I will admit that when I first got this unit, for some reason I thought it was like a lace frontal unit, and I did not know that it was this like W Vixen lace. So the thing is like a W Vixen lace. And let me get, y'all, I do not like Vixen lace wigs. Oh my god, I feel like they're pointless. I think it's too much trouble. And for me, when I wear synthetic wigs, I want it to be not so much trouble. And if you're gonna do all this Vixen lace, like if you're gonna do this whole Vixen thing with the parting, and then now you've got the double Vixen, it's just, you might as well just make a lace frontal wig. So as you can see here with the double Vixen we're talking about, so it has 2 rows, and then the first one, so it has like the U here with the part going back, and a U here at the back. Here's some style. They tell you can switch, you can shift the wig too, so you can shift it from the right, center, and left. They got the half up, and then you got this, I guess it's the 2 braids going down thing. And I don't think this is a good idea because of the wig. The texture is really curly. When you start combing wigs, and because you know when you do a cornrow, you're gonna have to start like pulling the hair, pulling your fingers through the hair, and that's just gonna cause friction, and it's gonna get frizzy, and it's pointless. So take this. So when it comes, oh look at this, they got a free scrunchie. Because I be losing these scrunchies all the time. So the fact that I got 2 free scrunchies, I'm stoked. I got 2 free scrunchies. Okay, so they part it for you when you first get it. And these parts are they're real small. So I don't know why. When Outre first came out with the Vixen unit situation, the problem for that was the hairline. The hairline is banging on this unit. Last year, I think it was last year, when they came out with their Vixen hairline, the first people to come out the Vixen hairline, I believe, was Outre. And that hairline was so horrible. This hairline is popping though, I ain't gonna lie. This hairline is popping. So they also use like little tabs here too, so you can know where the separation is at. Alright, so let me show you the inside of the cap. Turn her inside out. There's the U with the part. So, and then this U right here. And of course the lace around the perimeter. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And it also gives you a little lace, a piece of lace in the back. That way you can put it up if you like. But I want y'all to see what it looks like on. Uh-oh. This might be a small cap. This is how she looks. This is how the curls look. They're long. They're about 18 inches. And the stretch goes down to my butt. So it's like 22 inches. I got this because the curls are really pretty. And like I said, I thought it was a lace, frontal. I'm not mad. I'm not totally mad because I do like the lace in the front. And I love this hairline. I love the hairline. They did improve on the hairline. I'm gonna take this brush that I did my makeup with this morning. It has a little bit of makeup still on there, so I'm just running it across just to darken it, because the brown they put on this wig is like it's like somebody died. That's the complexion of the lace they got. Is if I was about to be put in the ground, this lace would match me fine, okay? But not while I'm alive, sis. It does not match my lace. I mean my skin or my makeup. Okay, so you would have to, what is this? You would have to glue this down, because it's just gonna flap if you want to put the wig up. I don't know, y'all. Child, honey boo, child, honey boo. Trying to find this parting space. I did not glue this down, but it's staying pretty down in the front. I got a few baby hairs that came out, because it does come with baby hairs, guys. Oh, it comes with more. How many bows is there? I cannot with this wig. I didn't even see that. It comes with 4 bows, guys. This is too much. Like, and then they got the little tabs here. You gotta remember to take those out. I can't. But what I did was I fixed the ponytail. I took those plastic things out. And before I switch the style up, I just want to talk about the hair. The hair is really extremely soft. I am getting some shedding from the hair. However, she is really soft. The curls, I can, and it's amazing because I can still, well, I was going to say I can still run my finger through the curls, but I can almost run my finger through the curls like freely, and it's a curly wig. So that says a lot to me about the quality of the hair. I like that it has the part right there on the side, because I literally can, I love like a good toss over hairstyle like this. I love a good toss over hairstyle. Even though you can shift this wig, it's nice to have a toss over look. This is a lot of hair, child. This is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair, guys. This is a lot of hair. Let's try her in the middle. You would definitely need to flatten her down if you wear her in the middle, because she's very humpy. All in all, I guess it's not bad, but my thing is, like, once you take out, like, look, once you take out that, where is that middle? See, once you take out the thing, the dividers, your parts are lost. Yeah, I like this wig. It's a lot of hair, even for, you know, it's summertime, so I don't foresee myself wearing this in the summertime. It's just too much going on. But it's a nice wig. I don't see the point of the parts. So maybe, you know, purchase this when that price drop, you know. And yeah. Other than that, I love the wig. Other than that, I love the wig. I love curly wigs like this. I don't like those big poofy curly wigs, but I love curly wigs like this. If you like this review, if you enjoyed this honest review, hit the subscribe button down below. Then hit the notification bell so be notified anytime I upload new content. Thank you for watching.